Hey guys, it's Full Flowers here, back with another video. Welcome, I'm so happy to have you here. Okay, so this is going to be Aave price prediction for 2021. And you know why I'm so bullish on Aave and I really like Aave? Because the CEO of Aave is Finnish and I'm Finnish too. So go Aave, go Stani. We are fucking flying here, okay? But anyway, that's just the hype. So let's get on with this video. So we're going to check out Aave price prediction for 2021 March. And boom, guys, March is a big month. 2021, big month, big things coming. And we are part of this. It's very, very nice to be part of this. I love it. Okay, so Aave price prediction for 2021. Today we are going to use token metrics. Token metric is machine learning software. A lot of very, very smart people use it. And very smart people are behind this. And it utilizes machine learning to utilize past data to try to predict future. That's one of the aspects, but that's not all. They have very good fundamental analysis and technology analysis, technical analysis, performance metrics. We are going to dive deep on Aave today, guys. Today, after this video, you don't have to watch any other Aave video because this is going to be very bomb ass video. Let's go, guys. So actual price versus predicted price history. You can see right here that predicted price and actual price are pretty much the same. So this computer has done very good job. Here's a little differences. Look, but here now it says that Aave should be valued at $439. So it's saying currently that Aave is undervalued. Okay, that's what it's saying. Very interested to see that. Okay, and after that, let's jump to the fundamentals. Okay, so fundamentals are very, very important. So here's fundamental summary of Aave. Aave has some advantages such as the real world application and stable ecosystem, but there are also some weaknesses of Aave. Aave is not in the top two of lending industry competition, and it does not often appear in the mainstream media. But those are not the burst. Those are not the burst on like weaknesses, if you think about it's not currently the best one, and it doesn't appear in mainstream yet. Those are not huge ones, okay? But anyway, so here scarcity 7, market standing very good, development so currently 0. I'm very interested to see this because I think that Aave has huge its development team, and it's just the way it's built. There's huge development, but this could be also the that's that. Think about it. There's cryptocurrency technology, like there's so many new innovations every single day. So if Aave haven't done any huge developments in the in a near in a couple of, for example, like months, this could be, that's why it's 0. Okay, let's see here. So yeah, okay, so these are okay, so that's very interesting. So that's why, okay, so I don't know why I speculated there, but the problem here is that the data point for it uses for development this software. Okay, very interested to see. I have never seen this. So is there a team member who is well known in the industry, can drive development progress and articulate the project vision, strategy, and use case? And no, there is not, because Aave's CEO doesn't show up any anywhere. Basically, they just they work on the project, not on the the marketing side. So development is more like a marketing side here. How many years is the company in business before launching 0 to 1? Yeah, they are just a new startup company. Okay, I can see now. Okay, so development. But I would give I have watched a lot of, so I can give my own 5 cents here. So I have watched the Aave development team work progress, because I have listened to a lot of Finnish podcasts, English podcasts about the progress, and the progress is just amazing. And that's why I was really because but I listened to him when I listened to the CEO of Aave talk. He was very smart, very humble. So that's why I was very interested to see that. And at first I was like, maybe they have not done any huge innovation in a short time, because there I haven't had any major news from Aave coming. But that's not it. It's because of these two uh, uh, data points here. Okay, so we can definitely see that it has some. You have to look at the data at your own eyes. You have you have to come here and really think about it. But I have been using this tool for a while now, and it's the first time I see this kind of stuff. It's very interesting. This is, but anyway, liquidity. So here's how it's measured. So which top exchange is the project listed on Binance? Are there any fiat or crypto pairings on the leading exchange? Yes. Okay, so very liquidity, it's liquidity. Marketing, so here's, do they have large communities? Are they written about often in mainstream media? No. So here, for example, marketing, a few points off there because they are not covered in mainstream media, but that doesn't mean the project in itself is not good. Okay. Reputation, that just goes to marketing. Boom, boom, boom. Do they have any reputation? Early investors? No. Was the company or key member involved in a scandal? No. The team, how many team members are working on the project? More than 10. Proof of work. How does nodes exist on the network? 500%. Very good stuff here. Okay. But I have never seen anything like this. Was very interesting how it's measured. Okay, that's very interesting. Um, but a lot of these new projects, well, Aave is not like a new project, but if you go like, for example, check out the all like 20 cryptocurrencies that have been since 2017, the data on those are very good because it has had time to get a lot of data, and there's actually a team behind this who does it. So, but anyway, so Aave project technology score. I'm like this is what I'm talking about. The fundamentals are like, it's fairly good. It's 96 69%. Okay, so um and we got a lot of points of the development, but otherwise it looks very good. Okay, and development is because the CEO is not uh, like showing up everywhere. Okay, basically he's just working on the code. But anyway, so here project technology, but I like to invest in projects that focus more on the technology side and not the marketing side, because that means that people undervalue the asset because it's not shown frequently on social media. But the technology is going to be good because they focus on it. So here you can see the code quality is very good, architecture very good, mainnet usability very good. Mainnet usability not the best, but it can be easily improved, or not easily, but it can be improved. And team is very good. So team and code quality, those are like I think the main things. And also innovation is very important, because if it's not innovation enough, I think that it's not going to cut it. But here we can see very good stats on the technology side. And when the technology side is good, that for example, if you look at the cryptocurrency markets now, they are very hypey stuff here. Okay, and that being said, after the hype dies down, the coins that are just rising because of hype will die down, and the things that have really usage and really good technology will rise above. Okay, I hope that makes sense. I think that makes very much sense. Okay, so that's why I'm saying that this, it's, I think that it's good that they found out that Stani is not currently like crazy marketing, because it's keeping the price a little bit down here for good opportunities. But anyway, so I think that that's very important to see here. Let's look at the technical analysis here. It shows bullish. It just shows bullish, and I think that because it's currently undervalued, because the project is not out there so much. You know what I'm saying? The project is not as much out there as it could be. Okay, so I think that that's why it's undervalued, because technology behind is still very good, very good. Okay, so bullish on TA, and TA here you can see the basic oscillators, exponential moving averages, trends, candlestick patterns, customs, volumes, everything here. Okay, so yeah, you can come here and really deep dive in the data. You can start googling this and see, learn about this, and why is this going to be a really good thing, neutral or bullish. You can see, you can start learning here more. Okay, definitely worth your time. Also here, performance metrics. This is very good. So this is cumulative return versus Bitcoin. So it uses Bitcoin versus Aave lend. Okay, so here's cumulative return. Aave has huge cumulative return compared to Bitcoin. Okay, you can see some. If you can see, you can see a little. The Bitcoin is there. Okay, and this is Aave. So Aave's returns are crazy compared to Bitcoin, if you really think about it. Um, it doesn't show it here, but you know, here's Aave. And some of these newer coins, like I said, they don't have, you can see the data points aren't yet set in, so there's not that much data about them, so they haven't put like the summary analysis here. And some of the data is very like, there's missing some data. But with that being said, I think that very solid stuff. I think that this price prediction for Aave is pretty good. So $400, somewhere between. This is the first time I go with the machine here, but I would say that 400 somewhere between here. I can see it going to in March easily. Okay, but if it goes parabolic, of course, then we can just go to the $500. And if it goes down, I think that we could see like almost $200, maybe even $200 here, like here, almost haven't. Anyway, so that's going to be the price prediction for March. I think $470, $440, like something like that. I think that that's fair enough. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more daily videos. Also, check out this token metrics tool, very interesting tool. You can find the link in the description. Check it out, definitely try it out if you like it or not, because it has been very helpful tool for me to get more clarity on these crypto projects, and use it like a funnel to you know get rid of the very bad cryptocurrencies and start using more time and opportunity on these better ones, like with the good technology. Okay, and if you, for example, come here and search for different cryptocurrencies and you find good random coins that have very good technology, I would look more into those coins. I would do more research, because the technology is everything in this market, in my opinion. Because if the technology is good, if the use case and what the problem they're solving is good, it doesn't matter. The hype doesn't matter. The hype doesn't matter if the technology is good. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. By the way, none of my videos are financial advice. This is just my opinion.